This Friday is the Model Engineering exhibition and it's back on at Harrogate. I'll be going down there with my friend Bob, and I think Mike's going as well, and one or two other lads. If you happen to see us there, come and say hello. Honestly, I do invite. It'd be great to meet you and shake your hand. I live very close to the River Tyne, and quite often I go across a bridge at Newburn, a really old bridge, and next to the bridge is a rowing club, Tyne Rowing Club, and they often have regattas on, and whenever they do, I've never got a camera. So I had to walk down there this morning with a camera, and there wasn't no regatta on, but there was some people out in their boats, their rowing boats, and it was absolutely bitter cold, freezing cold. I did get one or two little shots. I'm going to put them in just as a matter of interest. I found it quite interesting. But next time I have a proper competition on, I'll go down with a camera and get some better video. I need to make a frame to mount this jet engine on, like a test frame. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger than is needed because I have got a bigger turbocharger for the later project. I've got some nice heavy wall, I think it's inch square aluminium box section here. I'm going to use that welded together to make a nice stable frame. I've cut them to length roughly just using a slitting disc and an angle grinder because I'm a lazy bastard. Someone just to drop my lint right that. Tack welded onto there. And I'm just going to use a milling machine to square the ends up. Ready for welding. I mentioned before about clay milling as opposed to conventional milling. This cutter's going clockwise, and on this side of the cutter, if I put a cutter on like that and I wind it in, the cutting tool is actually screwing into the work. That's conventional milling. You can feel resistance on the handle as you wind it in. If we do it the other way, this is clay milling, and the tool is actually pulling the material past it. Not ideal on a lightweight machine like this, but it is used quite a lot in the industry. This is a nice flat steel bench, and I've got a big set square in there, or an engineer's square, real big one. I bought a steel rod years ago, massive thing it is. Just going to put some tacks on, you know, make sure it's all square before we weld it up, and that's so I can get some decent arc shots welding aluminium. When I'm doing tack welds like that, I probably use 80 amps to weld this, but I've got the machine set to 160, and you just whack the pedal and you get a nice clean tack. sort of position I want it in. There's enough height here to get a decent sized oil tank in. I'll probably put a support on the front as well, and there's oil pumps and batteries and power packs and all kinds of go in here, oil filters. And like I say, I'm going to make a test stand big because I have got a bigger turbo for a future project. So obviously a gravity drain out of there into an oil tank. The oil tank will be up here. You need quite a decent sized oil tank because they do tend to heat oil up rather quickly. So I think I'll just make a frame, weld a frame into there, same aluminium stuff, 2 bolts through that to hold that support there, and then something coming from the bottom to support that in. But once I get it mounted, I can sort of see where things are going to be going. I've got a rough idea what it's going to be like. A rough idea, right. So we'll cut some more aluminium and get this part of the frame done. There'll be a control panel goes there with the gauges on. That's the inlet, that's the outlet, that's the thrust pipe or the jet pipe. Well, it's starting to take shape now. Once I get the frame done, all the other bits and pieces shouldn't be too much of a problem. I do need to make a thing to hook that onto there. I keep saying I'm going to do it every time I use the bastard thing. Scabby bastard. fast, that thing. I like that very much. Did fit in when it was cooled. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do, it does make a big difference. Anyway, thanks for watching.